If you want to change your voice to sound like a celebrity
or an anime character in real time, this video is for you.
In this video, I'm going to introduce you the best voice changer, HitPaw VoicePea, which originally named HitPaw Voice Changer, and show you how to use it. Now let's dive in. HitPaw VoicePea is an advanced AI-powered voice tool that allows you to change your voice in real time and use a soundboard effortlessly. Just click the download link in the description to install it, then launch the software. You'll see the setup page. Select your real microphone and speaker device, and make sure you can hear yourself. Then click Continue and Done to access the real-time voice interface. You'll find a variety of celebrity and character voices to explore. Just choose the voice you want, and you can add keybind for the voice. Then go to your platform, set HitPaw Virtual Audio Input as your voice input device.
And now you're all set to use your new voice in games, Discord chats, or online meetings.
Beyond real-time voice changing, you can also use HitPaw VoicePea to generate AI voices, enhance audio quality, create AI covers, or generate AI music. Overall, HitPaw VoicePea is a powerful and versatile AI voice tool that makes voice transformation easy and fun. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.